Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we construct a plane figure by enlarging it to a similar figure in an area of 5 to 7. Alright. Now in the previous video, we looked at the construction of an ellipse, and in today's video, we'll be moving away to do a different topic, and the heading would be enlarging and reducing of plane figures. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to draw the given figure. Okay, the given polygon. All right, so we're going to draw the given figure first, and we're going to draw a construction baseline first. Okay. All right, so construction baseline, enter right across. All right, we're going to draw the figure now. All right, here's the given figure. Okay. Now, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it larger, okay? All right. So the first thing you're gonna do, we're gonna drop a perpendicular um here, okay? So let's draw the perpendicular. Okay, so what I did, I dropped a perpendicular from this corner here going down, okay? All right. The next step, we're going to draw a line from this intersection going up, right? And we're going to mark off your 7 units along that line, okay? Okay, we have um we have divided this line that we drew into 7 equal parts, right? And the 7 is coming from the ratio that is here, right? That's the ratio, okay? All right. So the next step is to draw a semicircle from this point, from the end of the plane figure, to draw a semicircle below to intersect the line and this side to give us the points at which you're going to connect these divisional lines to. All right. All right. So I've drawn the semicircle, right? And it's the intersection right here. That will be the center. Okay. The next step now is to join 5 to the end of this semicircle. So I'm going to draw there to the end of the circle, enter. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line parallel. This line, going to draw this line parallel from 7 to intersect this horizontal line, okay? We're going to bisect this point here. This point, we're going to bisect this point and the end of the polygon here. All right, so we're going to bisect it. All right, so there we have the two arcs drawn from the left hand side of the baseline of the plane figure, and this line coming from 7, this parallel line that he drew from 5. So we're going to draw a line through the two arcs that are for the bisector. All right. The next step now is to draw a semicircle with where the bisector intersect the horizontal line. That would be the center, and the radius will be at the end of the line coming from 7. Okay. All right. The next step is to draw a line from where the semicircle intersect the perpendicular line. Draw a line to the left corner of the given plane figure, right? The next step, so I've extended this line because the next step we're going to draw this line parallel from the intersection of this semicircle and the 90-degree line, okay? All right, so here we have the drawing. All right, so the line drawn from, all right, so having drawn the line from the, where the intersecting arcs intersect the 90-degree coming down, where this line that is drawn parallel to this one, that would give us now the location of the enlarged figure for this corner, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to copy it. We're going to make this line parallel from this starting point right here. So let's go. All right, so what we have done, we have drawn lines from this point where we constructed the 90-degree going through the corners of the plane figure, okay? Then the next step, we're going to draw this line parallel from this point to the end of this point. Then we're going to draw this line parallel. That would be the enlarged figure, okay? So here we have one side, we have made it parallel to the other side, to this side. These two lines are parallel to each other, and the distance will be this construction line coming up to intersect the horizontal line. All right, so we're going to repeat the process. All right, so here we have the figure being enlarged to a ratio era of in an era of 5 to 7. So the smaller figure is the original figure, and the enlarged figure would be the larger one. Are you seeing the enlarged figure? So the enlarged figure would be here, there, there, and there, right? And the original figure would be the smaller figure inside. So this construction brings us to the end of today's video. So in today's video, we looked at plane figure enlarged to a similar figure in an era of ratio 5 to 7. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we'll be looking at the construction of a cycloid, right? So let me know your thoughts. Hope the video was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.